Melissa at Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is All Things Gingerbread. Our hosts are Dawn at Shabby Meets Bling, Monica at Up All Night DIY, and Jody at Jody Southern Seasons. Our guest host is Crafting in Mimi's World. Please check out all the channels and the amazing playlist for the fun gingerbread decor. If you don't know, I love to decorate gingerbread, so I did a couple pieces for my kitchen for the holidays. Okay, we're going to start out with some nutmeg. I thought I had two. Well, we're going to paint two of these with nutmeg. Just a nice base paint, and my brush stinks. I guess it's a good thing I wanted a kind of a wood grain look, because I'm going to have it. Okay, we're going to paint two of them just like this. My first little thing I'm putting on my cutting board, I'm going to make sure it's straight. And now I'm going to just take paintbrush, some water. I hope this works. The paper is very, very glossy. Very, very glossy. I hope this, like I said, I hope this does work. I never use this method on such glossy, glossy paper. Okay, now we're going down to the bottom and do the same. I will put this down and then I can always sand it, I guess. Both of these little papers, they came from Temu last year after Christmas. And I knew I'd be in gingerbread collab because I decorate with gingerbread. Actually, this year I'm decorating in my dining room. Last year it was my living room and kitchen. This year it'll be my dining room and kitchen. Will be gingerbread. Okay, now let's take our sander. I'm just sanding those two edges. The top up here doesn't matter that much because I'm going to put a bow up there. I do need to round these corners a little bit. A little bit different because there's something up here. I may keep the tree, a lot of the tree, on the handle. Same here at the bottom. And then I'll take my sander back after I get it. I don't know whether I'm going to use, I probably use school glue. Or you could use Mod Podge, whichever one you had. I got school glue over here. This one here I think is even more glossy than the last. Okay. Okay, now let's add our piece back. Take our little sander. Let's get that sanded off. Same way. Wrap it around. Get to the top. Add another little dot. While you're at it, make sure your bow's all out. I was doing bows for my Christmas tree in these colors and the mantle, and that green was left over, so I thought, this would be cute and would match these projects perfect. This is our little girl. What I like is she has a pink bow, and I do a lot of pink with my gingerbread. thought she was pretty cute. And here's our little boy. Tell me which one's your favorite. They're both kind of rustic, but they're kind of, but I really like these. And like I said, these colors here is the colors going to be on my mantle and in my Christmas tree in my living room. I'm doing jewel tones. Emerald green, red, and a royal blue.